If you want to view task reports in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Reports, then go to Tasks, and then from here you'll be able to view all the details about the tasks. Firstly, here at the top we have different filters. So for example, we can filter by members, projects, teams, titles, tasks, methods, customers, and time period. After that, you can view the values in either hours or amount. After that, we have columns. So you can customize the columns to your liking. You can add task status, task due date, and etc. Regarding the columns, you can also move the position to customize it to your liking. And finally, at the bottom here, we have the data. So here we have the task, the subtask, project it's associated with, activity description if it has one, member, method the user was tracking their time, the date, how long they were tracking time on this task, as well as the total tracked time. After that, we have chart. Here you'll be able to view the data as a chart. Again, here at the top we have different filters, and on the right you can customize the chart. So here you can customize the chart type, so for example line chart, bar chart, pie chart, as well as the color scheme over here. After that you can customize data, so what to show, as well as what each slice represents. Another thing you can do is compare with estimates. So whenever you choose track time all time or spent budget all time, you can actually click compare with estimates. This way it will be comparing with the estimated amount. And if you want to export this chart, you can simply go to the top right corner and click export. This way you can export it as a PDF file. Another way you can create charts is by simply dragging and dropping the area you want to create a chart for. So for example, I selected this area, then I can go ahead and press right click, and from here I can either export this as a CSV or Excel file, or create a chart range. I'll go ahead and create a bar chart, and then from here you can see I have created this chart. In this section you can actually customize the chart. So for example, I can create a bar chart, a pie chart, a line chart, and etc. As well as edit the data and the formatting. If I want to download this chart, I can simply click on the chart, then go ahead and press download chart. Now if you want to export this data or share it with someone who doesn't have access to WebWork, you can do that by going to the top right corner and clicking export. From here you can choose a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. Another way you can share this file is by clicking share. This way you can copy this link and share it with anyone who wants to view this data. Even if someone doesn't have access to WebWork, they can still view this data. Here's an example of how the link looks like. As you can see, I can view all the data. On this website, I do not have access to WebWork, but I can still view the data. And lastly, we have schedule report. From here, you can create automated reports that will be sent to your email. So for example, here I can fill out the email address, subject, message, title, and then after that I can choose the file type, so CSV, Excel, or PDF, as well as what columns will be included. After that I can choose the date frequency, so daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. Then I can choose the report period, so today, yesterday, this week, and etc. And then lastly you can choose the time zone, as well as what time you want to receive this report. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click save.